What we making, Mama?
First, we're making fatback to cook with our cabbage. We're gonna boil some cabbage down.
We're gonna boil some cabbage down here in the country.
And we're making some creamy Dijon mustard sauce for pork chops. Did I say that right?
Pork chop biscuits, everybody.
Yeah, with a creamy Dijon mustard sauce. I say Dijon. Some people say Dijon. What do you say?
I don't know because
Grey Poupon.
We're going to also make some cauliflower
And
roasted carrots to go on the side here. You just want to flip this a few times, everybody. Not that I can tell you I'm an expert on this, because this is actually the first time I've ever cooked fatback, I think. Looking good, looking good.
Jonah's coming in with the biggest snowball of the year, right there. It's almost a snowman head.
We save our snow.
Oh yeah.
Down here in the south.
We don't get to see it very often, so the kids usually make a snowball and put it in the freezer.
That way if we don't get none next year, we can go open up the freezer.
Still throw a snowball.
Remember this one.
Look at that one.
That was the biggest one before this one.
Yeah.
I also made a snow puppy and a snowman and put it in the freezer.
Oh, we got a snowman in the freezer?
There's the fatback.
When that cools down, appetizers.
Right now it's way too hot, but it's already got the crunch.
And fatback, it holds in heat for a long time.
That's
like,
That's holding.
it really does. Like it holds in heat for a long time, longer than bacon and stuff.
That is good. That's what we give our babies down here to teeth on.
No, we do not. He's joking.
What you want me to do, Mom?
You can be chopping up the carrots and the cauliflower. Carrots, cauliflower, and you can be getting the cabbage ready too. I'll make biscuits.
Folks, I'm going to cook this whole meal.
We know what happens when you make biscuits.
You can lay them on a brick wall.
Oh yeah, there's Sissy Snowman. Show it to everybody. He lives in our freezer in there.
He has popsicles as food.
How many of these carrots do we need, Mom?
All of them.
We'll need them all, okay. And we will wash these real good here in just a moment. All right, we got them all washed up. Now we are going to go ahead and cut them up, you think, Mama? Find me a towel.
Oh, there it is. I lost that piece of fat back.
She was looking for that fat back.
And you can use this to put the carrots and cauliflower. Is that big enough?
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
Okay. I'll spray it for you.
Yeah, we might get some more snow toward the weekend, what they're talking about. What day, Mama? Saturday?
Yeah. That's what it says. One thing says 1 inch of snow for us Saturday, and the other thing says just rain, so.
It hitting 2 times in pretty soon, back to back like this. The milk people was completely wore out. I'm down here in the south.
I just went on Walmart's website to check and see. It was the night before the snow, wasn't it? I went on there just to see if I could add milk to my cart. It was out of stock of all milk.
No.
None, not even chocolate milk.
No, they got, when all the white milk run out, they started buying all the chocolate up. We just know that down here in the south that we don't want to run out of milk. Even if you don't drink milk, you buy it anyway, because that's a tradition. The thing we do down here in the south, and we may not do a lot of stuff right, but we know how to cook, buddy. I'll definitely defend us on that right there. We know how to cook. You go to a Sunday cooking, and you'll see.
You got a lot of grandmas there, you're gonna eat good.
If it's snowing that weekend, we won't be there. Oh, folks, I'm just kidding around with y'all. I know how to drive on that ice. We're gonna bring some olive oil into the situation. All right, now we got our olive oil on. I'm going to go on first with Mrs. Dash. It don't say Mrs. on here anymore. It says just Dash. We're going on with Dash. However much you like, just, put Dash as much as you want. Boom. And then we're going on with a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Paprika. Nothing like the sounds of the kitchen. Now I'm gonna throw a little butter in here. I'm gonna just put some little butter flakes all over the top of this right here. And we ready. Going in the oven.
I'll make that a true shower.
What is it, Mom?
Sissy told me to try her shaved ice or snow cone thing. And after I put it in my mouth, she said, is it too lemony? It's straight lemon juice in there.
Oh. Folks, y'all notice the color back correct here in the videos. I told Fallon yesterday when I looked at that onion. Of course, somebody else made a comment that was similar.
It
was
looked like
almost
the sunshine.
Somebody said it looked like the sunshine. You're right. I told her when I seen it, I said, baby, I mean, that's almost giving you like the angel effect on a movie or something, like the angel of the Lord gave you that onion.
It was a Kodak. We took the Kodak back.
Yeah.
We got the first 3 chops going here. Just with some salt and pepper. We're not breading these because we just didn't want to bread them, but you can if you want to.
Now, I bought the bone in. I personally think the bone in gives you a better taste.
And all you're gonna do, like if you want to put it on your biscuit, you just cut the bone off.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Or eat around the bone.
Yeah,
You want to
exactly.
have a little fun.
You want to have a little fun, you just chew on your bone. I mean, at the end.
No kids, not kids.
Not kids.
That's
Not
for
kids.
adults
This is for
only.
adults. There's almost a little toothpick right there if you want it. You know?
We're just kidding, y'all. We won't be no
We're just kidding. And we got to tell everybody today we're just kidding about stuff. But you take it too serious.
Who ate all the fat back?
Mama,
You put it in the cabbage.
should we take it back
The
out?
appetizers.
We can take it back out.
No, it's fine. My mouth's already a little dry. I already had like 3 pieces. It'll dry your mouth out.
Yeah, it'll make you thirsty. It's good though. Look at them biscuits. Coming right along, ain't they?
Pardon me.
That's country.
Country Dijon.
That is country Dijon.
Yeah, let's see what it tastes like.
Good? See, if we had that other camera right now, it would almost look like there was an angel behind me.
Oh yeah.
Like my guardian angel, y'all can see him. I love pork chop. I really do. I've always loved pork chop, my whole life. This ain't something that's just started. This has actually been going on for a long time. My love for pork chop.
Where did our helpers look? Y'all notice during the first part of the cooking time, we had Jonah and Sissy in here.
Because we had that fat back.
And now, when it's time to clean up in between, they've
The
disappeared.
fat back's gone. All the appetizers are gone. All the extra help's gone.
Right, they disappeared. Breaker 19, come in.
There's the one that looks like this, and when you tap it,
Oh, it rings
yeah.
like a phone?
Hello there.
I just found a marshmallow on the floor. We still have the Christmas tree on the back porch, y'all. I actually forgot about it.
Here's the biscuits. We're gonna let them go for just a smidge longer. In the country, that means just
30 seconds.
that's 30 seconds. Smidge is 30 seconds, everybody.
If you're talking about time, if you're talking about
Smidge.
matter, then a smidge is maybe like a teaspoon or 2.
And if you're backing up to a chute or something, and you're loading some cows, and somebody hollers out, "Pull up just a crumb," that means just a little bit, a couple of smidges. It's been a smidge. That's perfect right there.
I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper in here, not a whole lot, because there's some in here from where I salt and peppered the pork chop. So just a little bit of garlic powder, just about a 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of chicken broth. I'm just gonna eyeball this, y'all. Just a little.
Because it really
eyeball
don't matter
action.
if you go over a little bit with that, right, Mama?
Yeah, it don't matter. 1/2 cup of the heavy cream. Okay, we'll let this come back up to a simmer. We're gonna put a tablespoon of the country Dijon mustard.
All right, let's plate it up. I want to start out by sampling the cauliflower. That's good. Now for our cabbage, which we know is going to be delicious and hot. That's good. Now for the star of this show. Ooh. That's powerful.
What is it?
That's really good. That's good, Mom. That is so good. That thing grabs you deep. That's good.
nighttime in the jungle. The moon will surely rise. All the animals are sleeping with whisperings and sighs. But sometime after midnight, the elephant goes... How does the elephant go? He snores, huh? And whoever had been sleeping wasn't sleeping anymore. He woke everybody up, didn't he?
Good night,